Hello students, we have been learning about fractions. Last day you learned some basic things related with addition and subtraction of fractions. Today let us do some word problems related with fractions. And the first question is given already on the board. You can just check it. A rectangular sheet of paper is 5 2 by 3 centimeters long and 3 1 by 5 centimeters wide. Find its perimeter. Let us solve this problem. See, this is a rectangular sheet of paper. Its length is given 5 2 by 3 centimeters. Wide, that means width is given 3 1 by 5 centimeters. You know already that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So if this is 5 2 by 3 centimeters, this is also 5 2 by 3 centimeters. Width is given 3 1 by 5 centimeters. So this side also 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal. Now perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but sum of the sides. We can easily find out. So we can write length is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters. Width is otherwise called breadth, is equal to 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Therefore, perimeter actually formula 2 into length plus breadth. But we are not going to use the formula here because multiplication we are going to learn. Tomorrow we will be learning, that means next day. In next class we will be learning multiplication, next class or after 2 classes. So as you know that sum of the sides is what you say perimeter, let us add the given values. 2 lengths we can add, 5 2 by 3 plus 5 2 by 3 plus this width also you can add 3 1 by 5 plus 3 1 by 5, these many centimeters. So shall we do it? 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 3. Here also 17 by 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. This also 16 by 5, these many centimeters. Let us place it in bracket. 17 plus 17, 34 by common denominator 3. That means we are solving the fractions with the same denominators. 16 plus 16, 32 by common denominator 5. This many centimeters. Now you know that LCM of 3 and 5. See here denominators are different. We have to make the denominators same. For that what do we use? We use LCM of these two numbers. As both these numbers are prime numbers, we can multiply them together to get the LCM. So that let us do here 34 by 3. So these 3 will be multiplied by this 5. 34 also by 5 plus second term 32 by 5. 5 should be multiplied by 3. 32 also by 3. So it is equal to 34 5s are 170 plus 32 3s are 96 divided by common denominator 15. 170 plus 90, 260, 266 divided by 15. It is equal, this many centimeters. Here all you can write centimeters, okay? Centimeters, this also can be written centimeters. 266 by 15, let us solve it. Because it is an improper fraction. You know 15 months are 15. In 116 we have 7 times 15. 7 times 15, 105, 11. So 17, 11 by 15. 17, 11 by 15 centimeters. So this is the perimeter of the rectangular piece of paper. You can note down this answer. See second question. The recipe requires 3 1 by 4 cups of flour. It can be maida or atta or anything. Radha has 1 3 by 8 cups of flour. How many more cups of flour does she need? She actually, for making something, for some dishes, Radha needs 3 1 by 4 cups of flour. It can be maida or atta or anything. But she has only 1 3 by 8 cups. How many more cups of flour does she need? So, required quantity of flour, 3 1 by 4 cups. Available quantity means the quantity that Radha has. How many cups? 1 3 by 8 cups. Therefore, the more quantity needed is equal to, see, total quantity minus available quantity. So we can write 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 minus 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 8. It can be written, LCM of 4 and HCF. Every time denominators should be equal. If they are different, we have to substitute the value here so that the denominators will be equal. See, in this case, 8 and 4. 4 and 8, LCM of 4 and 8 is nothing but 8. So we will make this for 8. How will you make this for 8? Simply by multiplying by 2. So 2 you multiply here, 11 by 8. See, already we have 8, here also 8. So it is equal to 13 2s are 26 minus 11 by 8. 26 minus 11, how much? 15 divided by 8. 15 divided by 8, that means 1 7 by 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 1 7 by 8 cups of flour are needed. So you can note it down. Third question. Here you are given a figure. In this figure you have a rectangle and you have a triangle. Your question is to find the perimeters of this triangle and this rectangle. So first find the perimeter of triangle ABA. Let us find out. First answer for first part. Perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to, see, ABE, you know that perimeter is nothing but sum of these three sides. This is 3 1 by 3. Let us write that 3 1 by 3. This is 4 2 by 3. And this side, this is equal to this one. These two lines indicate that these two sides are equal. So 2 1 by 5. These many centimeters. Let us convert into improper fraction. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10 by 3. Plus 12 plus 2, 14 by 3. Plus 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 equals 10 plus 14, 24 divided by 3. Why I have written 24 by 3? Because common denominator is 3. We have to add 10 and 14. Plus 11 by 5. So how much you get? 24 by 3 is nothing but 8. 8 plus 11 by 5. This can be easily solved. 5 8s, see, actually this you can write 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 11, 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 11, 51 by 5. Okay, 51 by 5 means 10 1 by 5 centimeters. 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 1, 51 by 5. See, now you have to find out what is the perimeter of this rectangle, and which figure has more perimeter, greater perimeter, whether this rectangle has greater perimeter or whether this triangle has greater perimeter. So the second question and the third part of the question you have to do yourself as the homework. So that is the homework for today. So you can note down this answer and you do the remaining part and post in my WhatsApp number.